How to make the perfect Cosmopolitan. Want to make the perfect Cosmopolitan? Let's do it. The history of the Cosmopolitan cocktail. The truth is, the exact origin of this drink. It's a little fuzzy. We've got a few different stories and, bartenders who've all played a role in its creation. But here's what we do know. It's said that the Cosmo has its roots in the gay community, possibly starting in Provincetown, Massachusetts, way back in the 1970s. From there, it seems to have made its way west, showing up in places like Cleveland and Minneapolis, before landing in San Francisco. But really, it was in the 1990s that the Cosmo really took off, and that's largely thanks to New York City. A bartender named Toby Cecchini is often credited with creating the modern version of the drink. In 1987, while working at a bar called the Odeon in Manhattan, he's said to have taken an earlier version of the cocktail and really refined it, notably by adding fresh lime juice. That made a big difference. And, of course, we can't forget Sex and the City. That TV show played a huge part in making the Cosmo a household name. It was the drink of choice for Carrie Bradshaw and her friends, and that really cemented its place in popular culture. So, from its somewhat mysterious beginnings, the Cosmopolitan became this incredibly popular, classic cocktail that's enjoyed all over the world today. This classic cocktail is smooth, citrusy, and just the right amount of sweet. Here's what you'll need: 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Plus, plenty of ice and a lime wheel for garnish. Preparation. Start by filling your cocktail shaker with ice. Then, pour in 1.5 ounces of vodka. Next, add 1 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice for that signature color and flavor. Now, shake it up. Secure the lid and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until the mixture is well chilled. Grab a chilled martini glass and strain your cocktail in, leaving the ice behind. Final touch. For the final touch, garnish with a fresh lime wheel or an orange twist. And there you have it, the perfect Cosmopolitan. Smooth, elegant, and absolutely delicious. Try it out and let me know what you think. Cheers!